Welcome back to Dat Crazy Fish. Hope y'all doing good out there. So I was gonna show you guys how I pull out the seal on my little carrier assembly for my prop shaft. However, as you can see in this video right here, my seal is pretty tight in here because this whole thing is corroded. My carrier assembly is corroded. So I've tried many different ways to pull it out. It did not work. So I went and ordered a new one. It came with the new seal and everything. O-rings, brand new baby. But I also have these other parts that I ordered to replace my old seal, but now I don't need it right now. Since it's brand new, I'm gonna hang on to it for spare. Well, let's put this thing back together. Gonna put a little bit mercury marine grease 2,4-C on the inside of the seal right here, just a little bit. Just like that. And we're gonna put a little bit on this O-ring. Just like that. And I want to put this back. Now, you see, everything looks good. We're gonna put this in. Like that. We're gonna carefully insert it in. You have to tap it just a little bit just so it can go in. So I'm going to use this wood. Careful not to hit the shaft. Now that you got the carrier assembly back in, it's time to put the screws back. Put some of this Loctite on here. ½ inch. Now let's check. All right, we got a brand new seal, a whole brand new carrier assembly, so we should be good to go now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.